Homeowner report for Lynnwood, Washington. How much is your home worth? Sales, prices, predictions, everything you need to know for the month of August 2022 coming right here. First, home sales. You may have heard the market was softening, and here in Lynnwood, Washington, looking at the July data, median home prices have bumped up again by $6,000. Now we're at $732,000. Now that's not as big of a jump as before, but click the link below if you want to know how much your home is worth right now. Let's look at transactions. There were fewer closed and pending sales in July, indicating fewer transactions taking place. There are also more homes on the market now. So even though we're still below 2020 levels of homes for sale, it is still a seller's market. Days on market is still averaging just 6 days. Now, if you need to sell your house, it's actually a good time because you've had that equity growth and you want to cash in on it as things are slowing down. Check out our A+ marketing guide. It lets you know exactly how we get more money for your home when you list it. Now, let's talk about interest rates. They are at around 5.3%. Today I just saw they went down to 4.9%. So this is a little bit of a reprieve. Interest rates going down from where they were before, and boom, it's got buyers heading out with excitement again. So don't worry that you hear something bad in the news one week. It may be a whole different story by the time you get your house on the market. The bottom line is buyers are still out there. Although as interest rates rise, things become less affordable for them and they are not able to spend as much on your home. Now, my name is Emily Cressy. I'm with HomeSmart Real Estate Associates, and as a real estate professional, I study home prices every day. If you're thinking about selling your home and you're not sure what to do in this uncertain market, we've got talk about all sorts of different things in the news. It can be really hard to know what your property is actually worth. And you've got to get that plan in place to buy your next home, right? So because of this, I want to make a special offer only for those who watch this video. I want to give you the opportunity for a custom one-on-one home evaluation. We'll get together over the phone, on a video conference call, or in person and go through exactly what your home would be worth if you were to sell it today. So click the link below and you'll be taken to a page where you'll tell me a little bit about your home and then have the opportunity to schedule a time to connect with me for a custom one-on-one home evaluation. Simply click the link below to discover your home's true potential. And now, drum roll please, predictions, everybody's favorite subject, predicting the future. Yes, it's time for Emily's predictions for the Lynnwood housing market this summer. Now, right now, we're seeing mixed signals about whether the housing market is slowing down or not. Check out these facts. Existing and pending home sales have dropped. Monthly payments needed to buy a home have increased. 80% of survey respondents said now is not a good time to buy a home. And a record high of 81% of respondents think the economy is going in the wrong direction. Housing is now at the least affordable level it has been since the 1980s, and they're expecting interest rates to go up even more before the end of the year. Now, while some homes are having to drop their listing price or their selling price, most are still getting sold for above asking price. Here in the Lynnwood area, homes are selling for 103% of the original list price. So if you're thinking about whether or not to sell, here's what you should know. Leading indicators point to a shift in the real estate market. Here are some of them, and think about how they would impact the equity in your home sale. Interest rates will likely rise. They've gone from 3.3% to 5.3% over the last year. 4 big interest rate increases have been made and more are coming. Both sellers and buyers are getting impacted by these rates. Affordability is eroded as rates and mortgage payments rise. We have low inventory, but buyers seem fatigued. They don't feel like it's a great time to buy. It's not the golden days of 3 months ago. Part of that is because inventory is low. They don't want to do multiple offers. They don't want rundown homes. On the other hand, homes that are in good condition are still selling quickly, for now anyway. There's news about a negative economy, and that exacerbates the situation. Plus, housing prices have gone up so fast and they haven't kept up with wage growth. Plus, we have inflation, which is making affordability a bigger concern as more people's budgets go to other things like gas and food. However, in an inflationary economy, residential real estate is a great long-term inflation hedge because people always need a place to live. We're in a unique situation right now where home prices in Lynnwood have gone up 17% over the last couple years, and most people have a lot of equity. Inventory is rising, but it's still very low. It's still a seller's market, and homes that are in good condition are in high demand. It's a perfect storm for home sellers. If you want to cash in on all that growth we've been having, you still can, but it may not be there forever because home affordability is going away, especially for entry-level buyers. So if you've got questions, we're here to help. You can find us at homeproassociates.com. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next update. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click below to get your property evaluation.